Hello, and welcome to another edition of Coffee Talk with Immigration Attorney Brian D. Lerner. What I'd like to talk about today is more specifics on the Notice to Appear, or the NTA. That is the document that begins the immigration deportation or removal process. The NTA, Notice to Appear, is where initially immigration has allegations against you or the person in removal proceedings. First, uh, essentially making the case as to why they believe that you are not a U.S. citizen. And then the second section is showing why they believe you are removable or deportable, and then claiming the sections of law that support them. So, for example, let's say that you have a notice to appear in front of you, and it'll start off by saying you are not a citizen of the United States, that you entered, September 20th, 1984 with a B2 visitor visa, that your status has expired, you haven't filed anything to renew your status, and therefore you are out of status. And then that sets up the initial part of the notice to appear. And then down in the middle section, it will list the various sections of law, basically saying under section such and such of the Immigration and Nationality Act, since you are not in legal status, you are removable from the United States, and then what country they believe you should be removed to. And then for those people who have committed crimes, it will then list you were convicted in superior court on such and such day for domestic violence or whatever this crime is, and you were sentenced to 365 days in prison. And then again, under the section that lists the law as to why they believe you are removable, it'll say under section such and such, you are considered an aggravated felon under the immigration laws and therefore removable under sections such and so forth of the Immigration and Nationality Act. And then when you go to your master hearing, you will admit or deny these allegations. I can tell you right off that it is my practice never to admit a criminal allegation, that immigration should prove that in order to best protect you, the client. Okay, more on this in the coming videos. Thank you.